What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Twoguysfinance's online banking security features. Okay, it's gonna be a quick video, straight to the point. We're not gonna waste any time at all. Let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Twoguysfinance account. That's the online banking platform. Now once you're there, you're just gonna select the accounts that you want to manage. Once that's done, you're going to click on security and review the security features. Now you can set up two-factor authentication, and that's going to help you to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. You can also review and update your security settings as needed. Also, you can use the Twoguysfinance online banking platform to monitor your account's activities. You can also contact Twoguysfinance customer service if you have any security concerns or questions. And don't forget to review and update your security settings regularly, and that's going to help to keep your accounts more secure. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's online banking security features. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next